Can you transfer money out of your Chime credit builder? Yo, what's up, Money Squad? Let's talk about something that's probably been burning a hole in your pocket. Can you actually transfer money out of your Chime credit builder account? I know, building credit is cool and all, but sometimes you need that cash, right? So, let's dive in and figure this out together. First off, let's get real about what the Chime credit builder is. It's basically a training wheel for your credit score. You put in some money, Chime gives you a credit card, you use it wisely, and boom, your credit starts to look better. It's like financial boot camp. But here's the kicker, it's not a regular savings account. Now, the big question, can you transfer money out? Short answer, not really. Your credit builder account is more like a lockbox. The money you put in is essentially a security deposit for the credit card you get. It's there to make sure you're responsible with your spending. So, you can't just pull it out whenever you feel like it. Think of it this way, you're not transferring money out, you're actually using the money you've deposited to make purchases. When you use your credit builder card, you're basically borrowing from yourself. As long as you pay your bill on time, your credit score goes up, and eventually, you can get that money back. But it's a process, not a quick cash grab. But wait, there's a little loophole. You can actually transfer money into your credit builder account. This can be helpful if you want to increase your spending limit or if you're trying to build credit faster. Just remember, any money you transfer in becomes part of your security deposit. So, while you can't directly transfer money out of your Chime credit builder, it's a tool to help you build credit, not a quick cash out option. It's like investing in your financial future. Trust the process, use your card responsibly, and you'll be reaping the rewards in no time. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what if I really need the money? Well, if you're in a financial bind, there are other options to consider. Maybe you can sell some stuff, ask for a loan from a friend or family member, or look into other financial assistance programs. Just remember, pulling money out of your credit builder could hurt your credit score and set you back. So, there you have it. Can you transfer money out of your Chime credit builder? Not really. But is it worth it to build your credit? Absolutely. It's like planting a seed for your financial future. You gotta give it time to grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building that credit and crushing your financial goals.